are an environmental charity. Our main aim is to try and raise awareness of climate change issues in and around Stirling and to provide a positive local response to that. Our main project that we're running at the moment is called Share and Repair. The main sort of part of that is that we have a tool library which people are able to join and borrow tools from. We also hold repair cafe events where people can bring their items in and learn how to fix them and work with our technicians to identify the problem.
I brought in 2 items, electrical items, an angle grinder and a jigsaw.
I brought in a lightweight cheap vacuum cleaner which I meant to use upstairs. Years ago I emptied it and I couldn't get it together again.
We've got a couple of volunteers working in the repair cafe that are qualified electricians and very capable of looking at pretty much anything that people bring into the repair cafe.
One of the things we can encourage people to do is, a lot of people don't realise that you can repair something. Simply by encouraging people to say, well, just have a look at it and try to think about what is it not doing, and that will give you some clues.
It's quite good with some experienced guys here that could knew what they were doing, but I didn't know what they were doing, and seemed to have made it safer.
It's a free to use event on the proviso that people are actually learning how to fix their items. So they don't just drop things off and then go, they're actually sitting with the technician and learning about the process.
Most people who've come along have found it to be a great experience to be able to actually take something apart without that sort of fear element.
Oh, that's great. I mean, I wouldn't even have attempted that when I've seen it, you know, the complex of wires and all.
People feel more confident to take a look at a repair as a first choice rather than discarding the item and throwing it away.
They make me understand what is wrong, which now I'll be able to handle. That's the best part.
We do have a repair service in the tool library, so if they get stuck or they want some help, they can always bring those items into the tool library and get some assistance.
The best place to go for information, updates, all our event information is our website, which is www.transitionstirling.org.uk.